Welcome to this press conference organized by the People's Democratic Party, Rivers State Chapter. Seated before you is the State Executive Committee of the PDP, Rivers State, and the LGA Party Chairman. Recall that our tenure elapsed sometimes in June, July, August 2024, and the party at the national level ordered that those that have served out their tenure be allowed to act for 3 months. Unfortunately, our former principal, current FCT Minister, Ewoh and cohort did not carry out the directive of the party. They went ahead and altered the list. And Ewoh and co were produced as acting party executives, outside majority of us that are here. To us, it is an anomaly. It wasn't what the party wanted, and that was not the spirit of the transition at that particular time. Thereafter, the party called for congresses. Without recourse to the leadership of the party, especially at the state level, led by the executive governor of the state, Siminalayi Fubara, Chukwuemeka and co went ahead to conduct congresses at the world, LGA, and the state level. The congresses produced Chukwuemeka as the chairman and others at the various levels against a court order. In our wisdom as a party, we didn't take the laws into our hands. We did not resort to self-help. We went to the court to seek redress. Lucky enough, a few days ago, precisely on the 13th of January 2025, the court gave its rulings and nullified all the activities that took place within the period under review. The court banned Ewoh, Chukwuemeka and co to stop parading themselves as members and executives of the People's Democratic Party of the state and at the various other levels. What this judgment means to us is that the party is being restored to the original owners. Yes. The party is restored to the leader of the party, the governor of the state, Siminalayi Fubara. Going forward today, we are here to inform Rivers people, the teeming supporters of our party, and indeed Nigerians, that the court ruling is being welcomed by members of the party at the state level. And that we will not only adhere or obey the court ruling, we will go ahead to implement the court rulings to the letter. As you can recall, the party is in our hands, and the party is still in our hands. Nature abhors vacuum. There is no way vacuum can exist in PDP. To that extent, we have taken a step further to assure Nigerians that the party that originally was handed over by Chukwuemeka and co to members of APC, that we have taken over our party. As we speak, those that they elected, including Ewoh, Chukwuemeka, they are no longer members of PDP. Yes. They are members of the All Progressive Congress. Yes. Martin Sabewule and his colleagues are members of the All Progressive Congress. They are no longer members of PDP. They have defected, and the defection stands. To that extent, there is no way you can hand over our party. A party built on solid foundation. A party built on trust. A party founded by patriotic Nigerians. A party that is truly national in nature, to members of the All Progressive Congress. If you watch the congresses they had, the purported congresses they had, you will see people like Martin Samehuli, APC, and other members, defected members of the House. They are not members of PDP. There is no way they can lead the party at the state. So the court has restored the party back to us, and we have taken over our party. We want to use this medium to call on the national executive of the party to, as a matter of urgency, implement to the letter the judgment of the Rivers State High Court. To, as a matter of urgency, hand over all the reins of the party to the leader of the party at the state level, who is the governor of the state. This way, we can give Nigerians hope that come 2027, there is going to be a varied opposition, that we are going to provide alternative to the current mess, decay in our system. You can see today there is real hunger in the land. Exchange rate is at the highest level. Petroleum product prices is at the highest level. Insecurity is at the highest level. Direct foreign investment is at zero level. We are a party to provide the alternative. We are the alternative to the national government come 2027. And there is no way we can achieve this if the party is not in the hand of truly Nigerian, truly party members. So we thank the court first and foremost for rising up to the occasion. We thank our party members who have persevered over this period of time to ensure that the needed support is given to the party and the leader of the party at the state level. We will call on them to continue to trust the government of the day, because the government of the day is investing in the people. The government of the day is investing in security, is investing in infrastructure. The government of the day is investing in the civil service, is also investing in direct foreign investment. So we are calling on Rivers people to continue to trust the government of the day. We are calling on Nigerians to trust the governor of the state, who is the leader of the party, that he will be able to deliver on the mandate given him. We are calling on the national party to trust the governor of the state, who is the leader of the party, and to hand over the party properly to him. And most importantly at this point, we want to assure Nigerians, our teaming supporters, that because nature abhors vacuum, we have taken a step further to ensure that the party is properly constituted at the state level. To lead the party in acting capacity is myself, my humble self, Dr. Nnamdikanu Ewoh. We have taken over our party. By tomorrow morning, we'll move to the party secretariat and take over. In the active capacity as the secretary of the party is with Dr. Fielding Core. We have other members of the State Executive Committee. Williams Fialosika member, Sidney Bara member, Bello White member, Oranta Humphrey member, Victor Pepple member, Emily Solomon member, Sonny Daniel member, Ngozo Bonda member, Alomba member, Simon Hart member, Aladebo Prayer Bread member, and Constance Oruma member. Then at the LGA level, we also have acting chairmen who will pilot the affairs of the party until such a time that the national party will do the needful.
Thank you. Barrister Ngogo Otabiri will lead the party at the chair as acting chairman. Pastor Prince Willie Chekwe will lead the party at Onega. Obey the Christian Akukutoro, Daniel Buruwi Boni, Marcus Thompson Ogubolo, Engineer Fred Oba Okreka, Godwin Pepo Opobonkoro, Dennis Amadi Ikwere, Uche Binuku Imoha, Oduye Tom West Asaritoro, Agile Hanson Ahoda East, Victor Ere Anthony, Gideon Uche Ahoda West will avail you with others in due course. I want to use this medium to thank you, the press, for standing with us, for giving the governor, the leader of the party, and the People's Democratic Party at the state level the needed support. We will continue to solicit for your support and promise that we will not disappoint you. We will provide dividends of democracy. We will work in tandems with the mandate given to the governor and the party. We enter the social contract with the people of Rivers State, and the social contract is to the extent that we will deliver on infrastructure, we will deliver on security. You can see that we enjoyed a seamless